Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, we have another cruise line that has dropped the pre-cruise testing requirement. Another cruise line joining Carnival Cruise Lines and Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines that also no longer require a pre-cruise test on cruises that are 5 nights or less. So, effective August the 8th, 2022, MSC Cruise Lines will join them in not requiring a pre-cruise COVID-19 test if you're sailing on itineraries 5 nights or less and you are fully vaccinated. MSC's definition of fully vaccinated is either, the 2 shots of Moderna, Pfizer, or the single shot of Johnson & Johnson. MSC does not require booster shots to be considered fully vaccinated. Now, if you are unvaccinated sailing on MSC cruises, you will still have to take the pre-cruise COVID-19 test regardless of the itinerary length. Little caveat to that though is MSC Cruises does require everybody 12 and above to be fully vaccinated, so this is only going to apply to children ages 2 through 11 that can sail on MSC unvaccinated. So we continue to see changes. We continue to see cruise lines adopting new policies. Like I said, we saw Royal Caribbean do it. We saw Carnival Cruise Lines do it. Now we see MSC Cruise Lines doing it, where they're all starting off pretty much dropping the pre-cruise testing requirement for fully vaccinated passengers on cruises that are 5 nights or less. So this is just the beginning. Even Carnival already said that this is phase 1 of a 3-phase program. And while Royal Caribbean and MSC have not said it's a multi-phase program, the cruise lines, they follow along with each other. What one does, usually the others, end up doing shortly, a couple days later, a week or so later, just like we're seeing in this pre-cruise testing for short cruises. I expect the next phase of this to be no pre-cruise testing for longer voyages, but we will be keeping our eye out for it. Let you guys know as soon as we hear anything different. Alright, I hope you have enjoyed this quick cruise news video, just letting you know some protocol changes. If you have, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime a new cruise news video comes out. Hope everyone out there has a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.